If you are over 60 and not using your knitting to protect your memory and earn at least $200 to $300 a month, you might be losing on both brain health and cash right now. Many people your age knit for hours, but never tap into the simple habits that may help keep the brain sharp and turn finished pieces into steady income. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to knit in a way that may help your brain stay active and how to turn that same knitting into an extra $50 to $300 a month. You will see what kinds of projects challenge your memory, how long to knit for brain benefits, and where people your age are quietly selling their work. If you have ever walked into a room and forgotten why, or mixed up names you used to remember easily, you know how scary memory slips can feel after 60. Many seniors sit in front of the TV for 3 to 4 hours a day, which may do very little to challenge the brain compared to focused, hands-on activities. At the same time, rising prices can quietly eat $100 to $200 from your monthly budget, and many retirees feel they have no safe way to replace that money. You might already be sitting on a skill that friends and family compliment, yet you give blankets, hats, and scarves away for free because you do not see them as real income. Here's where it gets really important. How you knit may matter more than how long you knit for your brain. Many people find that working on a slightly challenging pattern for just 20 to 30 minutes a day, where you count rows, track colors, or follow charts, keeps their mind more alert than repeating the same old scarf for hours. Now let's turn your yarn into dollars. Many people over 60 quietly make $50 to $300 a month selling baby blankets, hats, and seasonal items without leaving home. Instead of random projects, you focus on small, high-demand pieces like baby booties, dishcloth sets, or winter hats that you can finish in 1 to 3 evenings. Quick question for you. If you could choose only one benefit from knitting, would you pick better memory or an extra $200 a month in your pocket? Think about your answer and tell me in the comments, because it helps shape which videos I make next for you. Many people do not realize you can aim for both at the same time with the right projects and habits. Wait, this next part might save you from losing months of effort and hundreds of dollars. Most seniors who try to sell their knitting pick the wrong place and give up after one slow craft fair, thinking their work is not good enough. For example, a retired grandmother in her late 60s began knitting only baby hats and matching booties and quietly takes 4 to 6 orders a month at around $25 per set from neighbors and family friends. Another gentleman in his early 70s sells simple dishcloth bundles and pot holders at his church's monthly table, often clearing $80 to $120 on a single Sunday. Most people skip this and regret it later, because these mistakes can quietly drain both your energy and your earnings. A lot of knitters underprice their work so badly that they are effectively paying themselves just a few cents an hour, which leads to burnout and frustration. There are a few specific things to watch for if you want knitting to help your brain and your bank account. Knitting half asleep in front of the TV with no counting or new patterns gives your mind very little challenge, so consider adding simple patterns that make you think, even for 15 to 20 minutes.